friends, welcome to the online video class. Today we are going to see the another part of air microbiology, that is the enumerations of microorganism years, or this is also called as the methods of microorganisms in air. It means that how we can collect, how can we observe air microorganism by laboratory process. So in this method, in this examination of air, there are two methods generally used. One is the impingement of solid media, and second one is the impingement on liquid media. So in the impingement of solid media means what? It means that whatever the microorganism generally collected on solid agar medium. In the impingement of solid media, there are three different methods generally used. One is the settling plate techniques, second one is the sieve device, third one is the slit device, and fourth one is the filtrations. It means that these are the four methods generally used under the impingement on solid media. So first time the scientist, that is the Gallo and Andersons in 1939 and 1958, they generally discovered these methods for enumerations of microorganisms from air. Let us see one by one. This is the first method. That is the settling plate techniques. This is the settling plate techniques. In this method, what happens? Initially, we have to prepare the nutrient agar plate in laboratory levels. How can we prepare nutrient agar plate? We have to prepare the nutrient agar medium in the conical flask. After that, it wrap with the cotton and plug it and autoclave at 121 degree temperatures for 15 minutes. It means sterilization process carried out. Afterwards, you have to add that medium into the plate. That plate is useful for the settling plate techniques. So that plate is called as Petri plate. You have to open the lid of that plate into the open air for 2 to 5 minutes. So it means that what happens during the 2 to 5 minutes, whatever the microorganisms, whatever the air which is present in the environment that entered on the surface of that agar mediums, and after 2 to 5 minutes you have to keep that lid on the plate, and afterwards keep the plate in the incubator for incubation period 24 hours at 37 degree, generally room temperature, 37 degrees Celsius temperature. After incubation, what happens? A number of microorganisms, it means colonies, grow on nutrient agar mediums. Number of colonies, and the colonies, it indicates that the different types of microorganisms, they grow on the nutrient agar plate. With this method, we cannot calculate how much microorganisms are present in the air, because there is no we cannot add this much air pressure into the on the plate. That's why we cannot calculate exact how much the amount of microorganism present in the specific air. But yes, definitely we can learn, we can study, observe the number of microorganisms that generally grow on the plate. It indicates that air contains different types of microorganisms. This method or this technique is called as settling plate techniques. After that, the another method, that method is called as sieve device method. This method is called as sieve device method. In this method, what happens? You have to take the funnel. This one is the funnel, and keep that funnel into the nutrient agar plate. You have to keep the funnel in the opposite direction on the nutrient agar plate, and you have to pressure the air through this upper side. you just see the entry of air from this side. You have to just spray the air from mouth, or as well the air comes from the environment entered into the that air. On the bottom of funnel, what happens there, the pores are present. There is a filter which having a pore size filters, which is present on the surface of nutrient agar plate. Whatever the air comes from that side which entered into the pores, and pores through that air enter into the on the nutrient agar medium. So after that you have to remove that funnels and keep the plate in the incubator for 37 degrees Celsius temperature for incubation period. What happens after 24 hours? A number of colonies grow into the mediums in on the surface of that plate. It indicates that the number of microorganisms go. It indicates the air contains different kinds of microorganisms. With this method, we cannot calculate the how much microorganisms are present in the specific year. After that, another method, that is the slit method. Slit method is that it is also one of the device which is similar to the SUSE methods, but except there is a narrow slit instead of pores, and petri containing agar medium is placed below the sampling of device and major volume of air is drawn. It means that in this case we can enter a major amount of air by air compressor or by a specific methodology. We can draw the specific what volume of air into that, and after that we can calculate how much the colonies are present, and on the basis of that we can say that this much number of microorganisms are present in the specific volume of air, and on the basis of that we can say that the air contains this much number of microorganisms. And with the help of gram staining method we can also calculate we can also identify which kinds of microorganisms generally present in the air. It means it is pathogenic, it is non-pathogenic, that type of microorganisms. Apart from this is the one of the methods, slit device method. After that, the last method in the impingement of solid media, that is the filtrations. In this filtration method, membrane filters device they are generally used. In this device, specific type of filters, just like the filter which are used in the water, that type of filters are used in this method. And from one side we can compress the air on that filters. What happens? Whatever the air compressed on that filter membranes, the number of microorganisms they trap on the surface of that filter, because the pore size of that filters are very small as compared to the size of microorganisms. That's why what happens, the microorganisms cannot enter inside the filter. They only trap on the surface of filters. After that you have to remove that filter, and that filter you can press on nutrient agar plate, and afterwards that plate you have to keep same in the incubator for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius temperature. After 24 hours the number of microorganisms grow. It indicates that the air filter contains different air microorganisms, and that can grow on the nutrient agar plate. And the last method, that is called as impingement of liquid. Same, this is also same device just like the settling plate techniques, but in this case you have to take the liquid medium in place of solid mediums. You have to take the liquid medium into the conical flask. At the bottom, this you just see, this is the nutrient agar plate is inside this conical flask. Apart from that, you have to add some glass beads into the that nutrient agar plate, and from the top sides there is one pipette is adjusted with cork borer, and on the surface of that you have to press air. This is the air bubbler, that That pipette, it on the surface, on the upper surface of that air bubbler, there is bulb generally bulbing or adjusted, or we can press with the mouth here. So what happens, the air, pressurized air comes inside the nutrient agar mediums, liquid nutrient agar mediums, and due to which glass beds, what happens, it spreaded, what the air or oxygen which comes from outside, they are spreaded into the liquid mediums. And this one is the two succession pumps. Succession pumps, it generally absorb the air from upper surface, and it what, there is the bubbling inside the nutrient agar broth. So after that, what happens, after 24 hours, initially whatever the medium inside the nutrient, inside the conical flask, it is generally clear, the clarity. But after 24 hours, what happens, there is the turbidity in the nutrient agar broth. Turbidity, it indicates that there is the growth of microorganism. This is the clear cut indications. Turbidity, it indicates there is the growth of specific type of microorganism. So apart from that, how can we identify? You have to take a lookful suspension of that liquid on the glass plate and observe under the microscope. So under the microscope, what happens, we can observe the types, we can observe the microorganisms. It indicates that there is the presence of microorganism into the liquid medium. These are the two methods, impingement of solid and impingement of liquid. In the impingement of solid, there are four methods are used: the settling of the settling plates, one, then second Seuss plate, then slit and filtrations, and this is the impingement of liquid. These are the methods generally used for enumerations of microorganisms in air or examinations of microorganisms in airs. Okay, this is all about the enumerations of microorganisms in air. So with the completion of this, we will see the another part in the next lecture. Till then, bye.